Hey, it's Jonathan here at P2R. Ever since I started here, I've been hard at work learning the different tools and tech that goes into making these parts. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about what goes into making our fuel line kits. All of our fuel line kits are fully assembled in-house using only the highest quality components. Our hose ends are made and manufactured fully in the USA. We use Race Right Pro hose, which features an enlarged inner diameter and a smooth bore PTFE core. It works well with all fuels and fluids such as E85, ethanol type fuels, pump gas, coolant, oils, and even automatic transmission fluid. All hoses are cut to length and then machine crimped using only the best American-made dies that provide an accurate crimp every time. All hoses are pressure tested and verified to be leak-free before leaving our facility. We offer a wide range of plug-and-play fuel line kits, making it easy for anyone to install our fuel rails on many vehicles such as TLs, Accords, Civics, Odysseys, and more. One thing I would like to mention is that we make custom lines all the time as well, and can help you with your fuel system no matter the application. We have worked on many unique setups such as sand rails, airplanes, and more. So if you don't see your application on our website, please feel free to reach out and we will gladly help you build a proper fuel system for your vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to helping you with your fuel system needs in the near future. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue to bring you awesome content like this.